Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something that's a little different from the usual smartphones, laptops, or audio gear I cover, but still super important if you're running an office, a small business, or even if you're someone who just needs a powerful all-in-one printing solution at home. I'm talking about the used Sharp MX-3070N color MFP all-in-one laser printer copier scanner. And if you're interested in grabbing one of these, you can check out the link in the description below. So, let's talk about what makes this machine actually worth a look. First off, this isn't just a printer, it's a true multifunction powerhouse. It combines printing, copying, and scanning all in one sleek, professional package. And with a speed of 30 pages per minute, this thing isn't just about functionality, it's about efficiency. You don't need to wait around forever for your documents to finish, whether it's full-color reports, black and white documents, or high-resolution scans. Now, Sharp has been in the game for a long time when it comes to reliable office equipment, and the MX-3070N is a solid example of that reputation. Even though this is a renewed model, what you're really getting is a machine that's been checked, refreshed, and tested to make sure it performs like new. So, in practice, you're saving money without really sacrificing on quality or durability. Let's break down a few of the highlights. Starting with the design. This unit has that professional, no-nonsense look. It's a big piece of hardware. It's not something you tuck away in a corner of your desk. This is designed for real office workflows, handling larger volumes, and being accessible to multiple people in a team environment. On the functionality side, you've got A3 printing support, which means you're not just limited to regular letter or A4 size paper. You can go bigger for posters, charts, or anything that needs that extra space. That's a huge advantage for offices that deal with presentations or visual-heavy documents. The scanning is another standout. The MX-3070N has a fast document feeder and high-quality scanning capabilities. That means you can digitize big stacks of paperwork quickly, which is great if you're moving towards a paperless workflow or just need to back up important files. The copier function ties into this too. It's fast, sharp, and gives you accurate reproductions whether you're dealing with text-heavy contracts or colorful brochures. Another point worth mentioning is the network connectivity. In today's world, being able to send print jobs wirelessly or from different computers in the office is basically a must. This printer is built with that in mind. It's network-ready, so multiple users can connect without a hitch. Plus, Sharp's interface is pretty user-friendly for this category. It's got a large, intuitive touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate through functions without having to dig through complicated menus. Now, let's talk about performance in real-world terms. A speed of 30 PPM might not sound mind-blowing in numbers, but for an all-in-one color laser printer at this price point, it's solid. It balances speed with consistency, which is exactly what you want if you're printing a mix of small jobs and large batches. Also, since it's laser-based, you're getting crisp text, bold colors, and long-lasting toner efficiency compared to traditional inkjet systems. One thing I really appreciate about Sharp machines like this is their reliability. These printers are built to run day in and day out, handling heavy workloads without constant maintenance. And because this one is renewed, you're essentially getting that reliability at a fraction of the cost of a brand new model. It's kind of like buying a flagship smartphone from a year or two ago. It still does everything you need, just at a better value. Now, of course, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. This isn't exactly a compact home printer. It's big, it's heavy, and it's best suited for office environments where multiple people are going to be using it. And since it's a renewed model, availability and condition can vary depending on where you're buying it from. But for the price you'd typically find it at, those trade-offs are more than reasonable. So, if you're someone who needs a dependable, professional-grade all-in-one that can handle printing, scanning, and copying with ease, the Sharp MX-3070N is definitely worth considering. It's not flashy, but it's powerful, and it's built to just get the job done without headaches. That's been a quick breakdown of the used Sharp MX-3070N color MFP all-in-one laser printer copier scanner. If you're interested in picking one up for your office or even your home setup, then definitely check out the link in the description below. Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and if you want to buy this used Sharp MX MX-3070N color MFP all-in-one laser printer copier scanner 30 PPM A3, renewed, then please visit the link provided in the description.